Hello everybody, welcome back to Jeff's Computer Service on YouTube. I'm going to be showing you guys today on how to set up remote access for your media server. In this case, we're going to be using Jellyfin for this example, and we're going to set it up using a VPN mesh called Tailscale. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I'm going to be doing all this process on a virtual machine. So this virtual machine, I have set up the Jellyfin server. You can see it right here. It's already running. And the IP address for this machine, I put it as static. So that would be our login for the Jellyfin server. So in our case, it would be 192.168.0.52 port 8096. That's the default port. Click enter, and it's gonna log us in. Since this is just an example, I have no media in here stored. I just set it up and that's it. So to the advantages of using this VPN mesh to connect it with Jellyfin, it's a very easy process. So you guys know, the good thing about this is for personal use, this is the website, Tailscale. It's $0. It's completely free, and you can connect up to 100 devices. It's very convenient, to be honest. Now, why would you use a Tailscale instead of just opening a port on your router? Well, doing that, it's actually a security risk, but you can do it as well. But for other people, they might have a disadvantage with this due to their ISP. So in this case, our internet service provider might have given you something that's called a CG NAT, carrier grade NAT. So basically, if you have this instead of a regular NAT, you're not gonna be able to open the port to set up remote access. So basically, that's where Tailscale comes in as our third-party application to do a VPN mesh. So basically, all you have to do is just download Tailscale. In my case, I already have it downloaded here, but once you have it downloaded, you just click it. You're gonna see this little pop-up here. And then you're just gonna right-click it, click on connect, or in this case, log in. So here it's gonna tell you the email that you're gonna use to log in. So we're gonna sign in with Google, just the account. It's, once we get up here, you can see the host name of the Jellyfin server, which in this case is this computer. Type in host name, and you can see there's the name of the computer. And now we want to connect it, and we click yes. For this demonstration, you're gonna see that I have two machines connected. And guys, basically that's it. You're done. So now you want to access this server outside of the network. So all you need to do is just grab the IP address that it registered with Tailscale. In this case, the IP would be this one, 100.72.34.61. Just gonna copy this, and we can go to another browser, and we're gonna paste that. If you paste it without anything, nothing's gonna happen. It's just gonna give you an error. So to actually make this work, you're gonna put it exactly how you would put it if you're at your house. So we're gonna put it again with the port number 8096. You can change the port, but this is the default. Click enter, and there you go. You have access remotely on this computer to your Jellyfin server. Now, just to show you, I in Tailscale I have two machines, as I said before. And this is the virtual machine Windows 10 that I have set up on a different location. So we're gonna connect to that computer. I have it set up on a Proxmox server. So we're gonna minimize this. I'm gonna go to that server. Here I have it open up, and this one is already connected. Right click it, see here, same account, and there's the IP address. So with this, nope, I don't want that. So with this, computer is already connected on the same virtual private network using Tailscale. We're putting the IP address of Tailscale. If I'm not mistaken, it was. Oh, wait. Oh, also, just get it from here. Network devices, Jellyfin, copy. There we go. Now from here, just type it in and put the port number 8096. And there you have it. You now have successfully have access to your Jellyfin server. Oh yeah, let's just log in, password, and sign in. And there we go. You have completely have access to this server remotely from anywhere that you want to be. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. This was just a simple tutorial on how to access this. I'm gonna be making more of these videos soon, and I hope you actually like this. If you want more detail or you thought it was very simple, please like and subscribe and share it to your friends. And as always, guys, have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.